Hey folks, Rich Buddhist from Brighter Days in Christchurch with a quick clip showing how to use the contact tracer app, PowerApp, in offline mode. Let's just start this recording here. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a tile first in the PowerApp. So open up your PowerApp, just check you've got it, go to your list, just refresh that if you don't see the offline option. Click the ... ellipsis on that app and then select create the tile, and then add to the home screen using your whatever your device option have is on an iPhone, so use it that way. Okay, then switch your phone, open it, test that that actually does work. You get a prompt, it will take you straight to the app. Okay, so that runs, and then you see it's all there. You've got the latest data. Then switch your phone into airplane mode, so you go on offline, and then tap that tile to open the app. So you'll be some prompts to say, hey, you're offline, that's okay. PowerApps will open, it'll tell you you're offline, let that load up. And from here you can sign in from other location. A couple of the other options are grayed out because they need a data source, but this screen does not. So just type in your data. Add your work order as needed, and then add photos as required. So two-step process for taking a picture. Tap or click the green to select a picture, take your picture. Select use whatever the prompt is in your own device, save that, and then click the save picture underneath the photo just to push that to confirm that's the picture you want. Then close your app. That's saved offline. Close your app. Then still offline, reopen the app, and you'll see that the data persists within your phone's memory. And we can edit the sign in from here. So we can see the data we put in and the picture that we saved is all there within the app. We can change, remove the picture. I mess around with this, take a picture with my mouse, and for whatever reason my phone doesn't pick up that I took a picture. So we just do that a second time. Take a photo again. iPhone, something going on there. So take that picture, use the photo, save, and then close the picture prompt, and then update the icon. And then so that data is saved. I can continue to add more items to my data as we go. So I can do it for several days if I needed to. But then here we go, back online, reopen the app, get the prompt there. We can see PowerApp says we are now reconnected. And then a new option appears here now to upload offline sign-ins. So this will take us through into basically push the data up that we saved and move all the pictures up. And then because I'm online, it's now in my contact tracing list. I can edit again if I need to. Else I can sign out from that as well as required. So what happened there for the attachment? There's still a flow running. I went too quickly, but just to show in the data source. So we go through up into SharePoint. Here's the one that we just did, 8:18. That's a bit later when I'm doing the recording, but there's the image that we had. And let's just go down to show so you can see the picture. And there's the picture that we took. So it's all moved up into the data source as required. So yeah, all under control.